everybody, Patrol Gaming, and welcome back to another reaction video. I've got some more Southern rock. I've got Lynyrd Skynyrd with Free Bird in 1976. So we're going to watch this one. This is the live version, so it goes for a little while, 14 minutes, so that's a pretty good chunk of song. We're just going to jump in and listen to it. I love the last one we did, Simple Man, so this one is going to be good. I haven't honestly heard this one, so don't crucify me in the comments. So I know obviously we did Simple Man, and I know Sweet Home Alabama. Apart from that, I couldn't tell you any other Lynyrd Skynyrd song, not that I know of anyway. I might have heard of it, I'm not too sure, but I'm pretty sure I don't know this one, which is pretty shocking. So let's just jump in and correct that right now. So this is going to be Free Bird and Lynyrd Skynyrd. You ever noticed all the great rock stars wear hats? I'm not a rock star. Just coincidence. That's all I'm saying. I think 76, that's old. Oh, not old. But yeah, that's a little while ago. I already know I'm gonna like this song. I can already tell. I might turn it up. Make sure it's loud enough.
Would you still remember me? For I must be traveling on now. There's just too many places I've got to see. It's been a sweet love, yeah, yeah. Though this feeling I can't change, but please don't take it so badly. So Lord knows I'm to blame. Just couldn't be the same. 'Cause I'm as free as a bird now. Yes, I am. And a bird you'll never change. And this bird cannot change.
Jesus Christ. Wow. Wow. That was fantastic. I don't think those boys wanted to stop playing. I think they could have went on and on and on. Wow, that was good. That was really good. Whew. I definitely have to check out more Lynyrd Skynyrd if that's how they play. Wow. Wow, that was good. That was some good rock music. I really liked that. I really liked that. Oof. That was some serious playing. That was really good. That was really good. I did not expect that. That was really good. That was really good. I really enjoyed that. Thanks for the suggestions of that one. I definitely check out some more Lynyrd Skynyrd, that's for sure. Especially live. They look like they go off live. Hey, that was really good. I was really surprised. I knew obviously Simple Man was really good, but that kicked it up a notch. That really kicked it up a notch. I did not expect them. I'm gonna go back and watch that again. That was really good. That was really good. I really enjoyed that. Whew, Lynyrd Skynyrd. No wonder everybody likes ya. Good Southern rock. Good Southern rock. Hopefully you guys liked it too. Thumbs up if you did. Let me know what song I should react to next for Lynyrd Skynyrd too. I have no idea. I would just be blindly Googling. So let me know if there's a song I should do next. So we've done Simple Man. We've done Free Bird. I know they've done, you know, Sweet Home Out. We might do that one a little bit. I kind of want to get to the other stuff that, you know, nobody really kind of knows a bit, you know, those hidden treasures, those little gems. That was really good. I enjoyed that. I really enjoyed that. Yeah, let me know in the comments what I should be reacting to next for Lynyrd Skynyrd. So that was Lynyrd Skynyrd and Free Bird. Hopefully you guys liked it. Thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you're new. There's plenty more content coming. Plenty more content already on the channel already. Look under the Southern Rock playlist if that's your thing. If not, there's plenty more stuff on there to look at anyway. So hopefully you'll come back. Subscribe if you're new. That way you won't miss an upload of a video. And hopefully I'll see you in the comments and maybe in the community and maybe even in the next reaction video.